Good afternoon, and thank you for tuning into News Center 23. It's currently 3:09 p.m. at the News Center 23 studios. Let's take a look right now, and we're going to go over our weather for today and what we're expecting in the oncoming hours, really. A winter storm warning is in effect from 1 a.m. yesterday, and that will last until 1 a.m. tonight. It's currently 29 degrees at the airport and 31 degrees at Tuttle in Crawfordsville. Winds are calm right now. We expect those winds to pick up. At this time, we are seeing some wind gusts actually at the station. We do have several school closings already, actually 229 when we just updated. North Montgomery, South Montgomery, Attica, Covington, Southeast Fountain, Westerbourne, Lafayette, West Lafayette, all closed tomorrow. We just got word from Indianapolis. IPS schools will be closed tomorrow as well. Expect snow to start tapering off into light snow showers by 7 p.m., continuing on through about 10 p.m. We may see a flurry or two after that, but accumulations really should stop after around 10. At 1 a.m., we'll be at -1 degrees. We'll talk more about those temperatures in a few minutes. Right now, let's take a live look at Precision 23 radar at the city view level. We have some moderate snow bands forming from Frankfort over to Lafayette, back to the west of Attica yet, and over to the west of that band, there's a more heavy band up toward Hoopeston. We take a look to our southeast, and we're seeing the south side of Indianapolis is dealing with a wintry mix still. Some clearing off to the west around Rockville, Clinton, and Faunanet, but that won't last very long. It's just an indication that some of that Arctic air is beginning to move into the area, and that's why our temperatures are beginning to cool. We take a look at Precision 23 at the state view level. We can see those heavy bands really off to the west in Illinois yet, and the back edge is still not in state view radar yet. So we'll see that state view out on regional, or we'll see that back edge on regional view. Not too far off. Another 6 or 7 hours of snowfall is really expected for the area. We took a wide look out onto regional view radar, and there we go. We see St. Louis is still dealing with snow, but Jefferson City is not. That's that back edge of that system. We will continue to see snowfall for the next 6 or 7 hours, and then it will diminish into a light flurry or two. Some lake effect snow showers may stick around for tomorrow, but those will be light, and accumulations will be less than an inch on that if you happen to get under one of those lake effect snow showers. Closings and delays, we're not going to go through them all. We just want to let you know this is the new setup we have for closings and delays. Some of these look different than other ones. You click whichever one you're in, whatever letter your school's in. K through P is more organized, starting here. Excuse me. And then Q through Z. You just click where you're at. South Montgomery again, North Montgomery, all of those are closed. So let's talk about the weather. Again, winter storm warnings in effect. After that expires, we do have a wind chill warning that will go in effect at 1 a.m. tonight, and that will last until further notice. An expiration has not been set on that. Here's your new updated snowcast that we told you we would be getting out there, updates here. Still keeping that 3 to 5 for our southwestern counties, 5 to 7 for just the north, and then we'll get up to 7 to 9 really for most of our viewing area, except for off to the north. You may see 5 to 7 up there as well, locally higher up there. 9 to 12 band that runs from Crawfordsville to Terre Haute to Indianapolis as well. Indianapolis and some places to the west have already seen that around Terre Haute. Greencastle, places like that have already seen that foot of snow and are expecting to see a little bit more throughout the few hours. Again, highs today reached into the upper 30s, but we have been falling since we hit that or to the lower 30s, sorry. We've been falling since we hit that mark today. Tomorrow morning when you wake up, expect temperatures to be about 17 below zero here in Crawfordsville. Rensselaer will be about 19 below, 14 below in Spencer, as well as Indianapolis. Wind chill forecast is the big factor for the next few days. -48 is what it's going to feel like in Crawfordsville when you wake up Monday morning. 58 below in Rensselaer, 51 below in Lafayette. We take a look at your highs on Monday. We're not moving too much from the actual low temperatures. 13 below in Crawfordsville, 15 below Rensselaer, 11 below Indianapolis. We take a quick look into your lows for Tuesday morning. 27 below, 28 below for Lafayette, 25 below for Indianapolis. We'll take a look at your 7-day outlook. This is the same as earlier. We haven't changed anything on this. New model data should come in around 5 o'clock and allow us to update our 7-day forecast for you. But as of right now, that's what we're dealing with. Snow showers back in the forecast for Thursday. Maybe a couple, 3 or 4 inches of snow could come out of this system. We're still keeping an eye on that. But it looks like we have a chance to melt some of the snow away finally on Saturday when we get out of the freezing range. Friday, we've reached 34 to thaw out a little bit. Saturday, rain moves into the area with a high of 37.